Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I will show you how you can send an automated message to your team members and coworkers in your Slack workspace really quickly. So let us get started without any further hesitation. Head over to your workspace on Slack, and here at the bottom of that left panel, you will see a Slack bot. If you don't see it, guys, simply click on Add Apps here. And after that, use that search bar here at the top to find the Slack box and simply click on Add here to add the given Slack box to your list of supported apps here on the left hand side. So access the Slack bot by clicking on it with your left mouse and simply schedule a message by using that text box here at the bottom. So let me type in the message, for example, send work report or something like that, so that your team members may be notified of that notification or task later at a scheduled point or date. So before you send that message, guys, instantaneously by clicking on that button, make sure that you click on that arrow down icon here, schedule for later, and select either one of these suggested dates or scheduling dates, or select the custom time by clicking on that button here. Select a day, like for example, let's say Tuesday, 20th of May, and the time of the day, like let's say 8 a.m. Confirm by clicking on schedule message here. And that is going to schedule the message to the given date so that your team members may be notified and see that message sent to them automatically at the given time by the Slack bot. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.